Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. This is the initial checkout of this telephone. This is Earl's equipment from California, and this is a pre-war telephone. The case is in metal, so that's really cool. We want to go ahead and give you a look at this unit since this is the initial checkout. Now we want to go through the transmit, the receive, our handset cord. We want to go through the hook switch. We want to make sure that that is clean and adjusted and working properly. We want to go through the rotary. We want to make sure that that is cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. It's a little sluggish. We also want to do a dial center card and ring, something to the period of the telephone. We'll give you a look at the inside. We have the cover loose. Now, there has been a line cord installed, but we want to remove that because we want to install a black modular line cord, something to the period of the telephone. We want to go through the rotary, like we mentioned, our hook switch. We want to go through our network. That needs to be cleaned up. We want to get some of these wires removed, and we also want to check all of our connections, make sure everything's proper. We want to go through our bell circuit. We have a lot of work that we need to do. We want to get a start on this unit, and we're going to come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone. So we'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're in the middle of the process of repairing and converting this Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're going to show you a little bit about what's going on. Now, we're working on the rotary. We want to make sure that that's cleaned, oiled, and adjusted. We also have the dust cap for the rotary right here. We're also working on the mount for the bell and the solenoids for the bell. That was loose, and we're stabilizing that mount. We've also installed our black modular line cord and set our connections for the network. Now we also know that we have a wire here that goes to the rotary, and that has a bad connection. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and take care of that right now. We're going to cut that wire off, and we will install a new spade connector that has a bad connection, so we'll take care of that. We're going to go ahead and finish up this work, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 302. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and I can push that button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. We also want to do a still picture of the dial center card and ring that was installed. And everything was worked on this telephone and gone through. All the issues have been resolved. We also want to mention that the older bells on these telephones will pull more RIN. out of the ring cycle voltage than a newer style telephone. And as long as your telephone line is within standards, it should have no problem ringing. And we want to use the analyzer and send a ring cycle, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light there on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out, we have transmit and receive. I can push this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll call that number.
Good evening. Today is Monday, July 11th. The time is 7:23. Current temperature 89 degrees. Now the weather forecast for the Belleville area. Mostly clear today and tonight. High today near 92. Low tonight around 73. Tuesday 20% chance of a shower and a thunderstorm. Mostly sunny. High near 93. Heat index 101.
We can hang our unit up. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll give you some dial tone. We'll make that call. Hang our unit up. Now that we know that this Western Electric 302 with a metal style case has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Earl and he can enjoy this telephone once again. Now these are highly collectible, very sought after, and I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where he uses it. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.